Welcome. In front of me is a SUUNTO Ocean all black, and today I'll go over unboxing. I'll do a quick look at the watch itself. So anyway, just popping it straight open, we just have a pull tab right here, so yoink that. And inside here we get another box with more pull tabs. Okay, that's one, and that's two. There we go. That's fantastic. Not the best packaging, I would argue, when it doesn't want to open, and then when it opens, the watch itself automatically falls out. So that's a massive L, I would say. Now, obviously, just to kind of point that out, why that happens, just so SUUNTO knows how to fix this. When most of your weight is at the top, which we have cable, instructions, charging, and then just a watch here, and weightless silicone, this is heavier than the actual part with the watch. So it's kind of hard for it to, pop out. Once it does, by just vigorously shaking it, most likely, your watch just kind of goes flying out because there's also nothing holding it in place. Shitty design there. Anyway, so we get the watch, we get some paperwork right here, SUUNTO Ocean, cool. We get our wristband. Then we get a magnetic charger with what looks to be the world's shortest cable. Let's actually take that off so we can see how long that is. Yep, there we go. So that's about it. Could have been worse, to be honest. And paperwork, so I'm not even gonna bother opening that up. Now, peeling that off. Come on. There we go. We have the watch itself. I'm not sure which button turns it on, so just trying multiple. There we go. Oh, that's a hefty wristband. There we go, that's one. Okay, and you can see the device is already on. That's a giant screen. So yeah, that's a pretty hefty screen right here. And the watch itself is pretty chunky, as you can probably see. The band itself is also very wide. And this is a watch that will look most likely just comical on my petite little arms. So just gonna put those on and have a laugh at myself. There we go. So let's just yoink that on the arm. There we go. Oh yeah, that's it. That's a wall clock on my wrist right there. So yeah, it's a pretty chunky watch itself. And yeah, there we go. I'm not going to go into these specifications as they are very vague on SUUNTO website. So if they can provide you with good information, and I can't really find too much info about it, then I'm just not really going to go bother myself and go out of my way to do something that the manufacturer can't be bothered to do. But the info that is on their website, we have dimensions, which is 49.9 by 49.9 by 13.2 millimeters. Those are the dimensions with height and depth. And then we have 1.96 by 1.96 by 0.52 inches. So for the US people there. Now, in terms of weight, we have 99 grams or 3.49 ounces. The glass right here covering the display is a sapphire glass, so that's pretty good. Material in terms of the band is silicone, and apparently the construction material is polymer mixed with fiberglass, I think it is, and that would be the translation. So there we go. Anyway, that's basically it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.